One of the top things that I get asked in BricsCAD is how to improve the selection behavior. So I'm going to cover two different selection methods in this video. We've got Quick Select and we've got the Structure panel. Quick Select is like a filtration method. If I select everything and I move over to the Properties panel, I'll be able to see what's selected and I'll be able to see certain properties. If I move over to the Properties panel with nothing selected, and I click this little filter icon, I can then adjust and I can select a single property and then add that to the selection set. Then I can quickly change the layer, change the other properties. Let's do it again. So this time I'm going to select green and I'm going to add it to the selection set. Now everything that's selected is green and I can quickly change the layer. This time I selected brown, but not everything is the same shade of brown. I've made a mistake here. It's two different colours. So I'm going to add the first colour. Add the second colour, but that doesn't work. The selection filtering is a little bit of a tricky one. You need to be really careful about what you click because it doesn't just keep piling it on top of what is already selected as you might expect. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click both colours . Add my third colour . And then I can change the properties. If you're curious about how to change layers, please see the previous video on layers. The other way that I can work is with the structure browser. Now, the structure browser is unique to BricsCAD. If the structure browser is not already displayed, simply click on the ribbon with right click, and you can open up the menu and select the panel that you need. It gives you a tree view of everything that is inside the drawing. It's a really good way of exploring what is going on. Then if we expand the tree view, we can see all the different layers in the drawing by default. If I switch to the mechanical view, I can see everything sorted by entity. However, just pay attention. You'll notice that what is selected in the structure browser in highlight doesn't necessarily mean it's selected. And if you have it selected in model space, it might not be selected in the structure browser. So be really careful of what's highlighted and where, and just hammer that escape key. But it can be deceiving. I can also do things like isolate. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications, it really helps me out. It also lets you know when the next lessons are becoming available. Additional resources are available, including PDFs, DWG files, reference documentation, and exclusive videos. Please see the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.